Well, hello there, everyone, and welcome to my bathroom. Sorry that you can only see me with one eye and a forehead and a little bit of hair, but I want the my bathroom glass shower door to be the focus of my video today. This will be a short video because ENJO is fast and ENJO is easy, and that is always what I want to help you with. I am not someone who loves to clean, but I have to do it. And when I do it, I love that it's fast and it's easy with my bathroom fibers and water. So I am going to show you a couple of things today. I am mainly dealing with the buildup at the bottom of my glass shower door. So I put some fingerprints there so we can really try, and I had a sheet behind me here to really, so that this would show up. This section right here, I did yesterday as a test when I was figuring out my angle and lighting and all that stuff. You can see there's nothing showing up there. It is clean. So, excuse me, I am going to do the same here. So I just have water in my ENJO spray bottle. It is water. Proving that to you, the fact that I'm drinking it. So I am just going to put lots of water on this shower door. The reason for lots of water is the dirtier something is, the more water you need. Lots of water to loosen that dirt and that grime, that lime scale, that soap scum, that buildup. So I'm going to use my bathroom scrub on this buildup. Now, this scrub that I'm showing you is actually our older style of scrub. So this is what's really cool about this video is our scrub fiber is actually even, our new one is even new and improved. And I don't have that one here with me today, but I want to show you just how amazing our older scrub style is, so you can imagine just how much even more effective the new and improved scrub fiber is. They're both awesome. They're both amazing. So your bathroom scrub is going to provide you with the same fiber that's on your bathroom glove and this scrub fiber for that challenging buildup. So I'm going to put some water on my scrub as well. And let's just continue on where I left off. The really cool thing about the ENJO fibers is you can feel the fibers grabbing at that dirt and that grime. And then all of a sudden you feel the fibers just run smoothly over the surface. So then you know that it's brought up all of that dirt and that grime. There's a little bit more down here at the bottom, and I'm gonna have a tip for you as well with some really challenging buildup. But this again is just water. So check that out. I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna finish the whole. I'm just gonna basically do this section. That's why I just wanted to do a 15-minute Zoom today, because I want you to see just how fast it is. And we probably won't even be the whole 15 minutes because I'm just doing a section, and I don't know, maybe that's, I don't know, how long have I been? Maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes? Okay, so that is, I'm just gonna do that section right there. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to dry behind with our bathroom ENJO fill. Our ENJO fills are our fancy word for drying cloth. They are super absorbent, and they are going to leave that beautiful streak-free shine and polish that we love to see after we clean. Don't we love to see results after we clean? We don't want to go and buy products that we're not 100% sure if they're going to work. We want it to work. We want to know that it will work. So check that out. So I've just dried behind after that section there. And I'm just doing that one section because I want you to see the difference. I want you to see the difference between where ENJO hasn't been, all those fingerprints, and where ENJO now has been. Check that out. It's beautiful. It just glides, my fingers just glide beautifully over there. So that is literally all there is. So you can see before and after. I really hope that that's showing up. I think that it is. I do have a couple of tips. I have one tip, a couple of tips for you before I leave it, because that's really all there is to cleaning your glass shower doors. We don't need to be, you know, piling it with different soaps or cleaners or, you know, and letting it all soak and then rinsing it all. This is all we need: water, bathroom scrub, and your ENJO fill. With our bathroom pack, this is all included in your bathroom pack. Okay, your scrub, your ENJO fill, and you also get the full size bathroom glove. The full size bathroom glove, this as well is good for everything in your shower. And I will say that before I got set up for this, I took my bathroom glove and just with water, I cleaned the other side of my shower door, because I didn't want there to be, you know, there was a few little watermarks and things from there from people getting out of the shower. So I didn't want any watermarks to be shown, you know, coming from the other side. So I just took my bathroom glove. That's all I needed. I didn't need the scrub for that side of the shower door because it's not the inside. It just needed a quick clean with the bathroom glove. It took me, I don't know, maybe 30 or 40 seconds to clean that shower door, and then I dry behind. My other little tip for you today is, and I have a little bit of, I'm going to bring this down a touch. I have a little bit, I'm going to bring this forward. I have a little bit of extra buildup just right at the base there. So this is what I love about our natural helpers. We have some beautiful helpers. This is our marble paste, and the light is blocking it out a little bit. It's basically ground up marble and essential oil. If you have some really challenging spots, I know there's some people with bathrooms that have a lot of rust stains in their shower, and or they just, you know, they've been using product for so long, there is just a layer or two or three or four or five of residue on there that's accumulated with product residue, soap scum. And I will be honest with you, I let this shower door go until I absolutely have to do it, because I know that ENJO is going to do it fast and easy and it's going to be good. So occasionally for me on the bottom in particular, where a lot of water sits, there's some extra lime scale that builds up there. So all I do there is I'm just going to wet my scrub again, and I just take my marble paste, and like I said, it's literally basically ground up marble and essential oil. And so it's all natural. And I just add a little bit of that, and it just helps to break through that challenging buildup. Like just like that, I can feel the scrub is going over just super clean right there. Like it started, it was gripping, and then it was clean. I wish you could feel that. But again, I want to remind you as well, and now I'm going to actually just use the other side of my bathroom scrub to remove that. I just added some water, and I'm just going to rinse that off. I'll add a little bit more. And you know what? A lot of times, I'll be honest with you, I do this actually in the shower. When I get in the shower, I actually will clean the shower when I'm in the shower. That is how safe it is. That is how easy it is. So the marble paste also just gives it a little bit of an extra shine as well. That's the beauty of the marble paste too. So if you do have some challenging buildup, you may need a little bit of marble paste. But to be honest, I always tell my clients to try the fibers first. As you saw with my first go around there, the fiber enough was all I needed. And now you can see that marble paste, hopefully you can see, just took that extra buildup that was there. It just cut it through literally just like that. So that is all there is to cleaning with ENJO. Hi, Linda, how are you? I'm just actually finishing up. I just actually finished doing the the base of my shower door. You can see where ENJO hasn't been, and I just cleaned all of this, and I have recorded it, Linda. So what I will do is when I'm finished here, I'm just wrapping up now because we were just doing a 15-minute Zoom, and I do have some that wanted to see the recording as well. So I did record it. So I will grab a YouTube link for it, and I'll send it to you over YouTube. Or yeah, it would just be a YouTube link, and you can see what I did using water and this awesome bathroom scrub and ENJO to clean. So thank you so much for joining me today. Again, this will be recorded, so I will get it out to those of you that were not able to join in live. And again, I think I was just about to say, and then I got distracted, I do have bathroom blending fibers. So if you want to try it, if you're curious and you want to try it, I'm happy to drop off some bathroom fibers for you to try. Okay, thanks so much. Have a great afternoon.